In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple puzzles around a single theme. After generating your set, we'll refine the base clues and enhance them with AI. First, choose the categories file for your theme. Next, pick the names you want from the name lists. Then you set how many categories you'll use and how many items each category contains. In this example, we select 4 categories with 4 items each. Next, you can hand-pick the categories yourself. Or let the app randomly select them for each puzzle. Fill in the name for the puzzle set and click the button. Your puzzle files will be saved in your folder. In the next step, we'll use AI to enhance the clues for each puzzle and make them more creative and engaging.